The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision weapons of the Russian Aerospace Forces have destroyed temporary deployment points of the 28th Mechanized Brigade and 79th Airborne Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces in Nikolaev, on the territory of former factory of reinforced concrete products and Nikolaevstroytrans motor transport company. The enemy suffered losses of up to 200 servicemen and more than 20 armored vehicles and specialized vehicles. One company of the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been completely destroyed as a result of shelling near Artemovsk. In addition, the 53rd Ukrainian Mechanized Brigade near Novomikhailovka in Donetsk People's Republic has effectively lost its combat effectiveness as a result of the destruction of a command post by high-precision strike. Russian Aerospace Forces on July 24 destroyed more than 100 rockets for the US-made HIMARS multiple launch rocket system near Lyubimovka in Dnepropetrovsk region, according to updated reports. Up to 120 servicemen of the military guard in the site have been eliminated, along with foreign mercenaries and technicians. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 4 command and control posts of battalions of the 54th Mechanized and 17th Tank Brigades, the 107th Territorial Defense Brigade near Novomikhailovka, Zaitsevo and Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as the 65th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Malye Sherbaki in Zaporozhye region have been destroyed. 142 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration have been hit, including foreign mercenaries at temporary deployment point at the Ukrainian Energy Machines plant in Kharkov, as well as militants of the Black Hundred Formation near Artemovsk in Donetsk People's Republic. 8 ammunition depots have also been destroyed near Mayorsk and Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic, Novoandreevka, Malye Sherbaki and Stepovoye in Zaporozhye region, and Kulbakino in Nikolaev region. Within counter-battery warfare, 1 battery of Uragan multiple launch rocket systems and Getsin-B howitzer artillery battery near Dzerzhinsk, 1 battery of Grad MLRS near Belbasovka, 2 platoons of Msta-B howitzer and 5 platoons of D-30 guns at firing positions near Otradovka, Dzerzhinsk, Novgorodskoye, Vodenoye, Konstantinovka, Kurachovo and Georgievka in Donetsk People's Republic have been destroyed. Russian air defense means have shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of the Ukrainian Air Force near Barmashova in Nikolaev region. Also, 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Petrovskoye, Novomayorskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Barabashevka, Mikhailovka, Petropavlovka, Kamenka in Kharkov region, and Kuzmino in Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, 10 rockets of multiple launch rocket systems, Olha and HIMARS, have been intercepted over Antonovka and Brylovka in Kherson region, as well as Kherson city. In total, 260 Ukrainian airplanes and 145 helicopters, 1,622 unmanned aerial vehicles, 358 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,167 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 763 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,203 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,494 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.